and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect this to your laptop. I am going to be using the SoundLab, I think that's what it's called, application, and it is super simple to use. So let's get started with the video. Okay, you will need this cable. This is a printer cable. I already have mine with the kit. They already gave it to me, but for instance, they didn't give this to you in your kit. You will need this printer cable, and you're just going to wanna, I'll show you. There is a USB to host, and you are going to plug this side in the host, I guess, and I am going to plug the sorry, I'm having trouble here. I'm gonna plug this bit to my laptop as you normally would to like plug in a mouse or a keyboard. After that, I'm going to go to the SoundLab website, press create, and then to add music, you can do that if you're making a cover just by pressing import audio. It'll go to your files, but I'm just going to choose instruments for now. And I am going to choose the drum kits and find the one that suits your song. I am sorry, I'm like using one hand and it is not easy. I usually choose between pop rock and rock. Let's just go for rock. And this will show up, and to record, you are just going to press the record button right here, and I'm just going to hit a few. This is the hi-hat and the crash cymbal. I'm just going to hit the snare and the hi-hat pedal. And to stop recording, just press the stop button. As you can see, there is this pattern here. That's the sound of the drums. I'm just going to take off this bit so you guys can hear. But normally I will plug in my headphones into my drums. So let's just play. It'll sound not good because it's just me hitting a bunch of crash cymbals. Hold on. There. Okay, let's play that again. And that's it. That's how you can record. And I would normally just save this, and if you want to save the file to your computer, press download, and I usually press mix down as, and I'm just going to wait for it to save, and it'll also automatically save your file, but I would normally just press the save button just to be safer, I guess. Just going to wait for it to save. And then this will pop up. I normally download the high version one over here. Just press this down button, but you can choose whichever one you like, but this is not an MP3 file. And that's it. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!